We are women,
and we have mastered the tools to install
and maintain solar power systems
with confidence.
We are women, and I know how to wire an inverter.
And I know how to test voltage and current.
And I know how to install a module.
And I know how to troubleshoot with precision.
All together, we are women in solar.
We are women. We have learned to follow solar safety protocols.
We have learned to protect people.
And we have learned to protect systems.
And we've turned training
into real world skill
and real energy for our community.
We are women, and we've proven with the right training, we can energize a nation.
Women in solar energy, GSI. Girl power!